What's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install your SIM card into your Samsung Galaxy S25. Let's go. Welcome back to the video. My name's Sergio, and in this channel, I make life-saving tech videos. So if you're new here, feel free to subscribe and hit the bell while you're down there. All right, let's jump right into it. So I'm going to show you how to easily install your SIM card. Okay, maybe you want to swap SIM cards or you just need to install it yourself. So it's super simple. Your phone comes with a SIM ejector tool if you bought it brand new. However, if you don't have one, you can use an earring or a paper clip, as long as you have something small enough to push into this small little opening right here. Okay, because that is where your SIM card tray is. All right, so I'm going to be using this SIM card tray ejector tool. All you have to do is push in this hole right here. Do not push in this one because this is the microphone, where the microphone input goes into. So push into this top one right here. Okay, and when you push it in, it's gonna pop up a little bit like this. Then you can go ahead and pull it out with your fingers. And there you have it. All right, so this is where we're gonna place the SIM card. We're gonna place it in this position right here like this. Okay, so we're gonna place it like this with the slanted part on this side like this. Okay, so we're gonna place it like this. And yep, once you have the SIM card in the tray, then we're gonna go ahead and insert it into the Galaxy. Okay, so just position it properly there, and then just slide it in gently, and then push it all the way in. All right, there you go, it's in there. So if your phone is on, and your SIM card is activated, it should automatically start picking up the signal of your SIM card. Give it a few seconds, and this phone is unlocked, so it should pick up signal right away. It says searching, but it is starting to read the SIM card. Okay, you're gonna get this message right here. It says service provider update. So you're gonna have to restart and switch. So go ahead and select restart and switch, and the phone will do a restart. Okay, give it a few seconds for it to boot back on. And there you go. It says new voicemail. So signal is reading now properly. So as you can see, it has picked up service and signal. Yep, as you can see, all messages are coming in. So it has picked up service. Now you can go ahead and make phone calls, send messages, and use the internet as well, as long as you have data activated. All right, there you have it. So that is how you install your SIM card into your Samsung Galaxy S25. Go ahead and hit that like button if this video helped you, and let me know down below in the comments. That's all for this video. Catch you in the next one. As always, peace.